Students who choose to come to Lehigh are bright, disciplined, and ambitious. Our task as a university is to provide the opportunity to develop the exceptional skills and provide the environment that will allow them to thrive as leaders in today's challenging world. The endowment from Joe Perella has allowed Lehigh to put into place outstanding faculty, forward-thinking programs, and facilities like the Financial Services Lab. It has raised the reputation of Lehigh and the Business College and has given our students the resources they need to become leaders in their field.
The idea is that we can teach theory in class, but unless you have real problems to actually work on, the students can't actually learn how to apply those theories. So money from Joe Perella as well as other alumni really helps the students prepare for their future careers. And it's a catalyst to kind of attract the right kind of students into the business school that can be successful and actually go out and make a name for Lehigh in the future.
My name is Jenna Viviano, and I'm a finance major of the class of 2012. And I'm now working in New York City on Wall Street at the New York Stock Exchange, and it's all because of my Lehigh experience. The FSL did great things for me in college to help me in my classes. Not only that, but the Thompson and Bloomberg certifications that you can get, you can't really get at any other school. I've never heard of anybody else having those opportunities and those certifications before they even graduate.
You know, at my job, we recruit from the top finance schools in the country. Kids every year come in to the investment banking programs and are looking, and we're actually interviewing Harvard, Yale, Princeton, Wharton, etc. So the students of Lehigh are competing against the best and brightest in the country, and they do very, very well.
In terms of faculty, Joe Perella actually endows several of us as Perella chairholders. Being able to give someone a chair as a faculty member is a huge honor, and just to carry the Perella name is something that says to me that Lehigh values my contribution and helps me want to stay and actually be a part of this.
The Perella Endowment also gives faculty like Ann Anderson, Paul Brockman, and Ajay Singh the resources they need to contribute to new knowledge in their fields and to create new opportunities.
So in the last 5 years, we've actually added 3 electives, one on fixed income, which we didn't have before. We also offer an Excel modeling class, which is something that all of our students are being asked to do more of Excel work. And then next year, we're actually going to add a risk management class. All of these things are in reaction to what is needed today in the world based on the financial crisis, the huge amounts of risk that companies face.
Currently, I'm taking a course with Professor Nayar called Financial Modeling, and it's in the Financial Services Lab. And the experience that you obtain actually identically replicated my summer experience at Leerink Swann, which is a healthcare investment bank. And it was extremely interesting because the actual hands-on learning that takes place in a class like that and in a class environment is second to none.
And I actually started a speaker series in which I have a different alumni come back every week for the entire semester and speak about their careers.
This guest speaker seminar series really opens up doors and creates a massive network of individuals that we can contact in the future, and it's just a really great opportunity to learn a little bit more about other people, Lehigh alum, that were in the same position as us less than a decade ago sometimes.
Perella made the right investment at the right time, and the numbers prove it. Since 2003, with support from Lehigh University and Joe Perella, the number of finance faculty has increased, nearly doubled. If you compare the department from 10 years before the gift to the 10 years since, the average number of finance majors has increased by almost 20%, and the number of College of Business graduates has grown by 49%. And yet the class sizes are still about the same. Perhaps most importantly, finance faculty are known for the relationships they develop with their students. They're enthusiastic, they're accessible, they have a sense of humor, and they really care about their students. They are the latest in a long line of great faculty and embody the core values of our institution.
I think Lehigh really offers, as long as you really go out and grab it, a really good relationship with these teachers, because the class sizes are small, so you can kind of really develop that relationship with teachers so they can kind of mentor you.
Yeah, I learned that if you walk up to Professor Anderson's office or Professor Myers or any of the other professors that I've had in finance, they really not only can talk to you about anything to do with what's going on in the financial markets, but they can talk to you about your career, about potential opportunities for you, about things that you should be attending that you might not have known about.
In many ways, the Perella name is as valuable to Lehigh as his generosity. In giving us his gift, he also shared with us the impact of his name and reputation.
Perella's willingness to come back and support the Lehigh students is evident by all he does at the university, but by having his name on the department, it really distinguishes us as knowing someone on the street that's very valuable.
All these things become possible to you, that with your education and with the due diligence, you can really figure out, all right, so now you have the network of professionals, and now you have the tangible technical skills. These are the things that are possible.
This is the quintessential Lehigh experience, and it is the Perella Endowment that has made it possible.
Now, as I go on into my second year in New York City and finishing up my first year at the New York Stock Exchange, I just want to thank everyone back at Lehigh for the experiences that they've given to me, and I really wouldn't be here without them.
One, I'd like to thank Joe Perella. He's an inspiration for me as an alumni. His willingness to give back to the university in the way that he has provides leadership for folks like me to follow in his footsteps, and he's somebody that everyone should hold out as a model citizen and as a model Lehigh citizen.